Baking for Brain Cancer is a new fundraising movement that we've started this year. Essentially on May 31st, bakeries across Australia will be getting together to fundraise for vital brain cancer research. We're really glad to be able to team up with Holmesglen, and then also, incredibly, all of the funds being raised from today's drive will be going to brain cancer research as well. So it's a win-win.
I'm really honoured to be part of this initiative. I couldn't think of any better initiatives to volunteer with. It's really great.
So it means that I get to help people whenever I'm free, pretty much. I have a lot of time, so whenever I had time, I'm happy to help. So yeah, it's always great to give back to people that need help.
For the students, it's an opportunity to do a bulk. We don't do a lot of bulk cooking. They don't have that opportunity because they're not out in industry. So it's a good opportunity for them to see, instead of making 1 dozen or 2 dozen things, we're making 100 dozen things. I'd like to thank all the sponsors. A lot of regular sponsors that we've used before, and also Holmesglen, who allow us to use the facilities. For this year, I think we're going to raise about $1,500. Fingers crossed, hopefully more.